Guys, you want to save money? Make your own takeout Chinese food at home. You're going to love it. You won't want to purchase takeout anymore. You're going to want this. I want some Chinese food, okay? But I don't want to spend $30 to get some here. Because I love Chinese food. And I love to have extra to eat the next day. Okay. So the first thing, I've already got my rice in my rice cooker. I try to make it on the stove. And my rice turns out terrible. But if I make it in my rice cooker, perfect every time. I love the rice cooker. Been using one for years and I gotta stay with it. It's just wonderful. Okay, and the next thing we're going to do, we're making General Tso's chicken. I've got me a 9x13 pan and I just sprayed it with Pam. We're gonna make General Tso's casserole, our chicken casserole. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and just slice this up a little bit of green onion, just a little bit. Okay, just put it right in the bowl. Okay, so we have our rice, we have our little green onion. Now we're gonna have broccoli, and I bought this already cleaned up. It's fresh broccoli. I love this. It's cut and cleaned up, and sometimes I buy it this way just to save me a little bit of time when I'm in a real big hurry, or I had, like today I had to go to Wilmington. I knew I was going to be going to Wilmington to a doctor's appointment, and I had to go get my friend in where I originally from. So it was a long drive, and I knew that when I come home I was going to want to get ready to eat, and so I went ahead and bought this prepped up. That is a good way to plan out your meals, what you have going on that day. And if you don't have time to cut it, instead of letting it sit in the refrigerator and go bad, just go ahead and buy it already pre-made. I think this was $5 for the big, already cut up. Okay, I have preheated my oven to 400 degrees. We're just going to go ahead and put us a couple tablespoons of olive oil on our broccoli, maybe 3. That'll be perfect. A little bit of salt, I'd say about a teaspoon. We'll make sure we give so it's flavorful, you know. But I wanted rice and broccoli. You can put whatever you personally like. If you want green beans, some people like green beans with their Chinese. I just felt like broccoli. And if you want to kind of tear it apart a little bit. Okay. We're not going to put it in the oven yet, but I like to go ahead and have everything ready. So after the chicken's halfway done, we will pop our broccoli in. Okay, we're going to go ahead and we're going to cut up our chicken and get it in our bowl. And I'm using 4 medium chicken breasts. I think the recipe calls for large. Well, I just have 4 medium. 2 large. Well, I've got 4 medium. I'm just going to slice it up. And you can do it as big a chunks as you like. I don't want mine great big. But I like mine about like that. Because it does shrink up some. And we almost have it cut up. Okay, now we're going to make our sauce that goes with our chicken. Okay. If I can remember it. Hold on. Okay, I am going to put in a ½ cup of soy sauce, and I am using the 38% less, just less sodium. Just pour it right in our bowl. Now we need a ½ cup of hoisin sauce, ½ cup. Okay, now we need 1/3 cup of rice wine vinegar. Pop it right in. Okay, now we need 1/4 cup of honey. Now we need 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Put it right in. This is going to be our thickener. We want that sauce to stay on our chicken. We're going to put in 1 tablespoon of ginger. Now this smells so good. So now we need 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. We don't want too much because it is very powerful. It can overpower a dish in a minute. Alright, we're just going to put in 1/2 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. Now you don't have to do that if you don't want to, but it's entirely up to you. And now we need 4 cloves of garlic. And I don't have that much garlic, so we're just going to use what we have. I need to buy some more. Alright, we're going to whisk up our sauce, make sure it's really incorporated really good. Get that honey put in. We're going to go ahead and we're going to start putting our chicken in. We're going to make sure that all of it gets really mixed in good. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and start getting our chicken in. If you want to let this set 5 or 10 minutes, that is just fine. Let it get marinated in there real good. This smells so good. I'm just going to start layering it in. Now you can just pour it in if you want. I'm going to pour the sauce on top of it afterwards. Today is my grocery shopping day because seniors get a discount. Today's Wednesday, so seniors get a discount on Wednesday if you grocery shop at one of the grocery stores here in town. And I just only go, I buy the buy one get one free everything, and you know that's on sale that week. And I don't really buy anything else but the buy one get one free stuff, and then you get 5% off if you're a senior. So because it was cheaper to do the buy one get one free, it's even cheaper than Walmart. And they had chicken, buy one pack get one free, and I added it up and it was so much cheaper. It was like $1.99 a pound instead of $3.62 or $52 a pound. So I felt like I got a good deal. Because we're using chicken breast. Okay. Now we're just going to pour this sauce right on top. We're going to cook this in a 400-degree oven for 40 minutes. We're going to, at 20 minutes, we're going to kind of stir it around a little bit and put it back in the oven with our broccoli. So, simple, easy dish with so much flavor. Oh my gosh, so much flavor, and saves you a boatload of money. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching and commenting, all your sweet comments. You guys are just the best audience on YouTube. I know I say that. I appreciate you. I truly appreciate you. You make my life better. And I just want to say that. Your encouragement, I don't know how I got so blessed. Wow. This looks amazing. We're just going to stir it around. Wow, that looks so good. It smells amazing. I need smell-o-vision. Alright, we're going to put it back in the oven for 20 more minutes and it's done. There's a bumblebee in my house. I can't kill a bumblebee. I just can't do it. I don't let anybody kill a bumblebee. Okay. And no, I'm not scared of spiders, bumblebees, yellow jackets, none of them. But what I am scared of is a mouse. Petrified. Jump up in a chair, can't stand it. Oh, this broccoli looks wonderful. Let's get that chicken out. Look at our rice. Perfect. Look at our general's house. Wow. That looks delicious. Okay, let's get us out some rice. And this rice just breaks right up. It's just gorgeous. Look at that. Okay, now we're going to get up some broccoli. And I just put mine all over the top. Depends on how much you want. I love broccoli. Okay, now I want plenty of sauce with mine. Just going to stick it right on top. Okay, we'll sprinkle a little bit of green onion on it. A little sesame seeds. Guys, you want to save money? Make your own takeout Chinese food at home. You're going to love it. Okay, we gotta eat some of this. Getting that rice and that chicken. It's steaming, guys. Oh my gosh. It's so good. Let's try our broccoli. Guys are going to love this. You won't want to purchase Takeout anymore. You're going to want this.